Nokia tried to provide a set of solutions adapted to the business case, of each operator, of each particular enterprise, or even government looking to a telecommunication solution. We provide the end-to-end connectivity, which I like to call it beginning to beginning. Everything starts when the communication end-to-end gets established. When you connect to the data center, and that data center to another one, and that data center to another one, and finally to the origin of the content that the consumer, professional, or residential, or normal public is connected to get the movie, to get the application, to get the content that they are looking. All of that connectivity through both fixed and mobile network are provided end-to-end, safely, scalable, sustainably, and affordable, okay, by the Nokia solution. So this is perhaps the first and most important component. We provide that on an end-to-end fashion, the capability to supply the SLA, the service level agreement, the experience that user is asking for in an end-to-end secure manner. Secure on the terms of the performance, of the KPIs of that user experience, but as well secure regarding the resilience of the service, the 24/7, any time in the year, any place in the world, and very important, securing the privacy and the security of the data of the process that are going to be developed through that connectivity. We do believe that a single infrastructure can cover all, if not most, but I would say most, if not all, of the service portfolio of the operators or any type of entity using telecommunication network for their own needs. Could be an enterprise, could be a government, could be again an operator. So how we provide this is by virtualizing that infrastructure in what we call partition or slices that can be allocated to these different type of services or even that different type of tenants of users. It's like if you consider a building, you don't need to sell the building. You can sell the building by apartments, and then the network infrastructure, which is that building, can be allocated to some people, one floor, to others only a room, to others a flat, or to others 3 or 4 floors because they have none. You can manage all of that in a virtual manner and a safe manner through automated platforms that give you the capability to slice that infrastructure and divide it and allocate it to the different resources. This is fundamental because if you want to cope with a single infrastructure, multiple services, which is the only way to monetize the investment, you have to get under control the allocation of the resources in real time as per the service requirement, which I tell you is very difficult to forecast. It's continually changing and unforecasted demand is popping up anytime. But this is how automation makes a big difference in the network operations today. Automation is not only a fundamental step for the operation of the network, it's not only to perform the network configuration or the network maintenance or the network operations, it's as well the fundamental tool for the new models or go-to-market models that operators and other entities using telecommunication network has. As I say in the previous answer, the traffic demand is unforecastable. It's going to be popping up every single day, every single minute in a different pattern, and you have to reconfigure the network in real time to make sure that you satisfy that connectivity with the right service level agreement that you are committed to. To do that, you don't need only an automation that secures that the network is working. You need to secure an automation that secures the network is reconfigured to provide the SLAs, the KPIs that these services require in that particular time. So if I try to summarize my answer here, the automation is required not only for the operational cost improvement, maintenance of the network, it's as well a fundamental engine of the new business model to deliver ephemeral service that could be reconfigured in real time across the day, across the whole coverage of the network.